The National Accreditation Program for Breast Centers is an initiative through the American College of Surgeons that aims to ensure that all of the enrolled participants are providing the highest level of care for breast cancer across the board. From benign conditions to screening imaging to care for cancer, we wanted our community to be confident that the care they're getting is the best available anywhere. One of the ways that this program really enhances breast care at Archbold is by providing a multidisciplinary and team-centric approach that focuses on the needs of the patient and the individual so that we can tailor the care that they need to their situation.
We do have a very large population here of breast cancer patients. It's one of our most commonly treated cancers in this area, and thought that we could obtain this certification and felt like that would improve our care to patients, and it makes things move faster for patients so that we can get them taken care of, get them seen, get plans in place, and get them treated quickly, which does improve overall outcomes, not just for patient satisfaction, of course, that's nice, but what it does improve is outcomes in terms of response and their overall care, which is what's most important.
We have a comprehensive cancer care program. We've got a whole wonderful team of medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, and nuclear physicists. Every step of care that is needed for breast cancer can be done and done well at Archbold.
We're treating patients, we're not treating a cancer. And so the approach is very patient-centered and very patient-specific. And this accreditation really promotes that type of care, which I think is important for us and mostly for our patients.
We're very, very proud of everybody that participates in breast cancer care and breast health care here, and we hope to continue to expand our programs and make our services available to anybody in the community who needs them.